Hello, Dogecoin holders. How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, my friends, you know what? At this time, the whole cryptocurrencies crash occurs. Any cryptocurrencies market now, at this time, the Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, Chainlink, other. My friends, a lot of cryptocurrencies. Just look on the screen, my friends. A lot of crypto, Polygon, TDR, XLM. These all chains is in negative, my friends. You can see your whole chain is in red, my friends. So, my friends, at this time, there is the crash time of cryptocurrencies market, and people are so confused that what should we do. A lot of people angry to this coin that why the price will not pump. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe abs tech channel for more this kind of updates and news videos, my friends. Let me show you the price prediction, price change of the Dogecoin. What should we do in this critical situation, and what's going on in the Dogecoin, my friends. First of all, please, my friends, please make sure to subscribe abs tech channel and also like this video, my friends. The latest price, the currently price of the Dogecoin in the market is 0.198484 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Dogecoin. Other side, if you look further more about Dogecoin, so you can see here the price change is goes wrong, my friends. The price change is goes wrong. But now at this time, if you look the latest update, the latest price change occurred in the Dogecoin, so I think the last 60-minute price change is positive. So there's a possibilities to they continue this pump, and the price change is still positive, my friends, whole life. Anyways, the previous time is very bad time of Dogecoin, my friends. The last 1 month, last 1 week price change is negative, my friends. That is the last 7-day price chart of the Dogecoin, and from this chart everyone can understand that we are in the loss. You can see here fast down completely, my friends, completely fast down occur in the Dogecoin. So if this kind of changes occur in the Dogecoin, so that's mean that you're in the loss, my friends. Completely you are in the loss, my friends. So that's why this video is very special for you, and special my advice for all of you that please don't buy more Dogecoin and please hold it. If you are a holder, so please hold. Otherwise, if you decide to sell, so you're completely in the loss. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe abs tech channel for more news and updates videos.